Hi there, I'm Jonathan. Today, I'm going to quickly show you how to reset your Lightner Office Ally wireless headset. To reset your Lightner Office Ally, first, take the headset off the charging base and set it to the side. Then, we're going to unplug the power, and if you have it, the mini USB from the back of your Lightner charging base. If you have a Lightner lifter plugged in, go ahead and unplug that from the AUX port as well. Now, we're going to take your headset and remove the battery from the headset itself. For this, I typically recommend grabbing a ballpoint pen. You'll take your headset, flip it over to the bottom, where you'll find two silver charging contacts with a small gap in between. Put the tip of your pen into that gap and point it toward the ear cushion. And then you're going to push down and then scoop up like it's a shovel to pop that battery door off. Now we can slide the rectangular battery all the way out, and we're going to leave that battery out for a solid 30 seconds. At the end of the 30 seconds, we're going to reinsert the battery, and we want to orient it so that the arrow is going into the compartment and the side that says Lightner is facing toward the buttons rather than toward the ear cushion. Like this. Now, place the battery door back on. And after a few seconds, we should see the headset blink to let us know the battery's back in there properly. Now, set the headset to the side again and reconnect your power. And if you had it, the mini USB back into the back of your base. But leave the AUX port unplugged if you had a Lightner lifter. We're not going to plug that back in just yet. Now, we're going to resync your Lightner headset to the charging base to finish this reset out. To do that, first, press and hold the phone mode button on your charging base until the light on that button starts to blink. Then let go. And now, on your headset, we're going to find the middle of the three silver buttons. We're going to press and hold that mute button until the light on the headset blinks, and then we'll let go. Now we can set that next to the charging base, but not on it. And we should see that the light stops blinking in both the headset and on the telephone button. And you're now all synced back up with your reset complete. If you had a Lightner lifter, don't forget to plug that back into the AUX port in the back of the charging base. Congrats, you're finished. That's all there is to it. Easy peasy. Now remember, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.